Okay guys, so WordPress security, totally mess. Just hear me out what I want to say. Hope you watched my last video. So my website got hacked yesterday, one of the website I managed. This is really important. I want to share with you something. Okay. So yesterday website got hacked and my favorite plugin Wordfence with default setting I try to scan and it tell me there's no malware, no virus on the website. Then I use my another favorite plugin which is Antimalware plugin. So now you can see it's 100%, but before it was getting stuck on 96% and it did not give me any malware present on the website. So I was hopeless because I was using these two plugins from so many years now. I was always very confident in both these plugins. And just to mention, I'm using free version of both these plugins, but I was disappointed that these plugin was not able to detect the malware. Then what is the next option? I went to the new plugins. So I installed AIOPSEC plugin, and this plugin you can see again, it gives you file change detection, but for malware scan, you need to opt for a plan. You can go and cancel any time. Again, not a preferred choice for a lot of people. Same in my case, not the best choice. Then I went to Sucuri plugin. Sucuri Direct tell me site is not clean, I have some malware on my website. But again, I need to sign up for a Sucuri plan, which might be somewhere, you can see pricing starting from $229 per year. And I don't know what is the price to remove the current malware from the website. Another option was Defender plugin. I use this plugin. If you watch my last video, I use this plugin, it detect everything and it was able to clean everything, but it broke the site. So this was not an option. So I tried multiple plugins, but none of the plugin helped. Then I went back to my favorite plugin, Wordfence. Then I changed the sensitivity of the scan, manage scan, and I changed sensitivities. I set it to high sensitivity, and now it was getting some of the malware on the website. And why I'm telling you all these things, it doesn't mean WordPress is very unsafe platform or these tools does not work. No, I'm not saying totally that. WordPress is our favorite CMS. We love it. It's very cheap CMS. Gives us all the flexibility and we all love using WordPress, and it is our own website, our own code. We can host it wherever we want. It's not like other platform where we host on other platform. It's not completely ours and we can change whatever we want. With all this flexibility, all this complication also comes. And these plugins like Sucuri or AIOPSEC plugin, they could be very good. I'm not saying they're bad, but they are not for everybody. Everybody cannot pay these things. So now questions comes, what you need to do. Okay, this is all comes what you need to do, because WordPress, I think, still the one of the best option to create a website, e-commerce website, blog, any kind of website. So let me give you an idea of what you need to do if you want to keep your website safe. Few points here, please follow this. Don't wait until your website get hacked. Please just follow this. First thing, core updates. Update your website regularly. All the plugins should be updated. All the themes should be updated. You're using a website. Mostly you're using one theme and child theme. And the WordPress version always updated. And this is non-negotiable. Ideally every day, but once a week, it's totally fine. Second is authentication access. Choose strong password. Use plugin like limit login attempts, and also do not use a default username like admin username or these kind of username. Choose a very strong password. That's very, very important. Third thing, hosting infrastructure. So you need to choose reliable hosting. I use my hosting. They give a lot of option on server side, which can manage these kind of attacks and a lot of things, which is really, really important. SSL certificate is a must. You should use SSL certificate. Fourth thing, always take a backup. Backups are super important. Make sure you don't take just only local backup and hosting backup. Make sure send that backup to a remote storage so you can need whenever you want to restore your website. You might be thinking it's a lot of work, but no, you might need this someday. I highly recommend you to do all this stuff. Backup is non-negotiable too. Then fifth is security plugins. Now I told you plugin doesn't work, but still I highly recommend you choose one plugin which works fine on your website. And also on the top of that, you use this plugin Antimalware. This plugin is really nice. It did not work on the first time to catch the hack, but after I tried again, it really get the hack. It's really important to use this plugin, and any plugin you can choose Wordfence plugin, any free plugin you want. If you want to pay, you can use the plugin. It's really nice. If you want my recommendation, I'll add the link in description. And on the top of the plugin, you should use Cloudflare. It's really, really important, guys. Cloudflare, I love it. A lot of things were said about Cloudflare, but you can use the free plan of Cloudflare. It's really important. You can make your website really safe using Cloudflare. It really helps. Next point will be monitoring and hardening. So you need to monitor your website every week of what's happening in website, what is the security. Scan your website every week. If you're using free plugins, make sure you enter your right email, check your emails that nothing is bad on your website when you get the notification. It's really, really important, guys. And the last point would be user education. If you are a website owner, you're not very technical, please try to get some knowledge. If you do not have budget to hire agency or hire freelancer to take your website, I highly recommend you to learn something. It is not very complicated. I have so many videos on my channel. You can watch those videos and you can learn a lot of things about website security. Do not wait for the time when your website get hacked. Then you search for somebody to fix your website, or you pay these super expensive prices to use this kind of security services for your website. So this is really important that you educate yourself. If you want to work with my agency to take care of your website, you can check the link in description. Or if your website get hacked, you can check the link in description. I will add some videos how to remove the hack from your website. If this video did not help you out, your website is not clean, you can check the link in description. You can contact me directly. I will help you to clean your website. Hope you liked the video. It was informative. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please let me know what do you think about all these things. And to improve your website security, please check this video on screen.